In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Jackpot in Basketball Zero. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Jackpot style is a mythic style available in Basketball Zero. In order to acquire it, you will go over here to the Styles menu, and you can navigate through all of the odds. Under the Mythic styles, you will find Jackpot. Mythics have a 0.5% chance of dropping after every spin. There is also the lucky odds, which makes it 5% to get a mythic, which could be the jackpot. The core ability of Jackpot is the Lucky Bounce. This is your primary defensive and offensive tool. It is a quick dash or boost that can be used to blow past defenders on offense or to quickly close the gap on defense. So use it to change direction quickly and break ankles while dribbling, or to get into a prime position for a steal or a quick pass. And the second ability is the steal. This ability is used to attempt a steal. When activated, you get 3 follow-up options. Their effectiveness depends on whether you hit the jackpot first. You will get Lucky Dash, Lucky Stun, or Lucky Pass. Lucky Dash grants you a super speed boost after a successful steal. Lucky Stun stuns the defender for a short time after a successful steal. And finally, Lucky Pass allows for an immediate quick pass to an open teammate. So always attempt to steal when you are in a good position, as the bonus is massive if you hit the jackpot. Then you have your offensive ability, which is Loaded Dice. This is your Styles Awakening, and it temporarily gives you 3 new broken options: Lucky Pass, Lucky Pull, and Lucky Shot. Lucky Shot is arguably the most powerful move. It allows you to shoot from anywhere on the court with a guaranteed chance to go in. So only use your Awakening when you can capitalize on it immediately, so you can score a quick hoop. And for your ultimate ability, Final Jackpot, this ability is rare and difficult to trigger. When it hits, the effects are insane. Your steals become 100% guaranteed, and you break your opponent's ankles just by dribbling near them. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.